Now that we have looked at the basic interface of the Design Plus sidebar, we are going to start going through how to build a course in Canvas. A good place to begin is with a home page. This will be the landing page for students when they access your course. Click on Pages in the navigation menu of your Canvas course. Then click Plus Page to create a new page. Name and save the page. We will add more content to the page soon, but first we need to set it as the course homepage. To do that, click on the View All Pages button. Find the page you just created in the Pages list and click on the little stop sign icon. This item should switch to a check mark, indicating that the page is now published. Next, click on the three dots icon and select Use as Front Page. Now click on Home in your Canvas course navigation menu. Usually the module page has defaulted to be the home page. To change the default home page to the new one we just created, click on the Choose Home Page button on the side or bottom of the screen. Select Pages Front Page and hit Save. Now the new page you created is your home page. On your home page, click on Edit and open the Design Plus sidebar. In the Add New Elements tab, select the Theme element. This will apply a default theme to the page. To change the theme of your page, make sure the Theme tool icon is selected in the Edit Current Element tab. Scroll down to the Style dropdown. If the gray box that says USU is not expanded, click on the plus sign. Here you will see several different preset theme options. Hover over each box to preview the theme. Click on a box to select a theme. When you are working in the Theme element, changes made in the Style dropdown will affect the entire page. Under the Content dropdown, change the theme type from Basic to Front Page. What this does is automatically add in some elements commonly found in front pages, such as a banner title, a banner image, and a link grid with common navigation links such as Start Here and Syllabus. Now you can begin customizing your page. Make sure you are clicked on the banner and that the Banner Title tool is selected in the Edit Current Element tab. Under the Content dropdown, you should be able to fill in your course's prefix, number, and page title. If you want your banner title to have a different theme style than the link grid or page headings, you can adjust this under the Style dropdown. Next, let's pick a banner image. There are two tools you can use to do this. If you don't have the image you want already uploaded into Canvas and cropped to your desired proportions, the easiest option is to click on the default banner image in the RCE and then click on the Upload and Embed tool in the Rich Content Editor. It looks like this. This will allow you to choose a photo from your computer, your Canvas files, which is different than My Media, or websites like Unsplash that have royalty-free images. Once you have selected the image you want, it will pull up in an editor. Click on the Crop button and crop the image as desired. In addition to being inserted on your page, the image will be saved to Canvas files as well. Click on the Location dropdown to determine if it is saved to My Files or to Course Files. If the image is already saved to your Canvas course, but you would like to save a new cropping, make sure that the Overwrite If Exists box is not checked. Then click on Upload and Embed. Now your new banner image should be displaying. You can also change your banner image using the Design Plus sidebar. Click on the banner image in the RCE and make sure the Image Element tool is selected in the sidebar. Under the Content dropdown, click on the Change Image option. You can toggle between your Canvas files, course Canvas files, and university Canvas files. Simply click on the image you would like to replace the current banner image with. Make sure to mark the banner image as decorative or add alt text. To customize your link grid, put your cursor on one of the link items in the RCE, and make sure you select the link grid icon. Under the Content dropdown, you can add or delete link items, change the text displaying for each link item, and align that text left, center, or right within the link cell. The link items that have been added in association with the homepage theme already have link destinations that correspond with the Canvas page indicated. Click on the chain icon next to the desired link item to see the current destination URL. Note that if you don't create a Start Here or Resources page, these links will not work since the associated URLs will lead nowhere. Clicking on those link items within your course will prompt you to create the corresponding page. To view all the link items again in the Edit Current Elements tab, click on the Link Grid tool icon. To change the destination of a link item in the Design Plus sidebar, click on the chain icon next to the item you would like to change. This will switch your active element tool from the link grid to the link tool for that item in particular. Putting your cursor on the link item within the RCE and making sure the link icon in the Edit Current Element tab is selected will also switch your current element tool to the link associated with that item. Under the Content dropdown, when the link tool is active, you can input the destination URL. If you want to link it to somewhere within your Canvas course, click on the Course Links button. This will switch your active tool to Course Links. Under the Content dropdown, you can choose from pages, assignments, quizzes, and other destinations within your course. Click on the desired destination. Now select the Link Element tool by clicking the Link tool icon. Under the Content dropdown, you should see the URL of the Canvas destination you just selected. Now select the Link Grid icon in the Edit Current Element tab and scroll down to and expand the Style dropdown. Here you can determine the number of columns the grid will have on a large, medium, and small screen. Keep in mind that if you have not expanded the RCE viewer, it will act like a small screen. If you want your link grid to have a separate theme style than the banner title or page headings, you can adjust this here by selecting the desired theme in the USU box. At this point, you can add other content that you would like to your homepage. Click in the space below the link grid. Go to the Add Elements tab in the sidebar. Click on the Content Block tool. This will add a generic content block at your cursor position. In the Edit Current Elements tab, the Content Block element tool should be selected. You now have several options. In the Content dropdown, you can change the content block heading and text and adjust the heading level. You can also add more generic content blocks above or below the current one using the icons. The newly added block will become the current block. If you would like to add a templated content block, scroll down in the sidebar. If you want the templated content block to replace the current one, click on Overwrite. If you'd like the templated content block to be inserted above or below the current block, click on the corresponding icon. Then select the template content block you would like. We will look more at different template block options in the videos about designing a syllabus and a course page. You can edit text and other content within the content block directly in the Rich Content Editor. To automatically add instructor information to the homepage, click in the RCE where you would like to add this information. Then click on the Add New Element tab in the sidebar. Find the element named User Details. When elements are sorted by category, it can be found under the Course Information category. You can also start typing User Details into the search bar. Select the User Details element. The Edit Current Element tab should open with the User Details tool active. Sometimes it may populate your information automatically. If not, under the Content dropdown, click on the User's dropdown box and select the user whose information you would like to include. You can filter the type of users displayed using the Role dropdown if desired. Once you select a user, their information should auto-populate in the fields below using their Canvas data as a source. You can edit the content of those fields manually and select a custom icon for each. You can also determine which fields display by checking or unchecking the boxes next to them. Under the Style dropdown, you can change the look of the user information using several preset styles. You can also change the background color of the user information block and the alignment of the text. There is an element called Module List that will allow you to add module links to your homepage. We will come back and add that element once we have built our modules. Add additional content to your homepage and customize as desired.